Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the battery icon is missing from your taskbar on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on a start menu. So right click ka lang and then select mo lang dito yung run, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na press only the Windows logo plus letter R, and then i-click mo lang yan and pop up itong run. Okay, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-enter yung command keyword na gpedit.msc. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-enter yung command keyword na gpedit.msc and then i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And then ito yung tinatawag na local group policy editor. And next step, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung user configurations. Under dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select yung administrative templates. So double click ka lang. And dito sa administrative templates, and then select mo lang dito yung start menu and taskbar. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa right side, makikita mo dito yung start menu and taskbar settings. Okay, so dito ay kailangan lang natin i-locate at hanapin natin yung remove battery meter, and then scroll down lang tayo and then select lang natin dito yung remove battery meter. Okay, ito siya. So i-select mo lang yan and then kailangan mo lang mag double click and pop up itong kanyang settings, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung disable. So click mo lang yan and i-click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then after dito, so close lang natin. So in other solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang sa search menu and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings and click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung personalization, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa personalizations, and then kailangan lang natin mag-scroll down and select mo lang dito yung taskbar, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa taskbar, and then next step is scroll down and then select mo lang dito yung other system tray icons, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa other system tray icons ay kailangan lang natin hanapin dito, or kapag nandito yung tinatawag na battery options or power ay kailangan mo lang i-turn on. Okay, so makikita mo dito yung kanyang button dito and then i-turn on mo lang siya. Alright, so once na-turn on mo na siya, and then close lang natin. At dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix battery icon missing from taskbar in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.